Running a food business isn't easy. When your inventory, purchasing, manufacturing, and sales don't sync, you lose valuable time and money. But with FoodOps, all your operations are seamlessly connected. Meet FoodOps, your all-in-one back-office solution that streamlines every aspect of your food business, from tracking inventory to managing sales. FoodOps integrates all your key processes into one easy-to-use system. It handles everything from tracking inventory and linking sales data to automating purchasing and manufacturing processes. With FoodOps, you have complete control at your fingertips. And when paired with CalcMenu, FoodOps takes efficiency to the next level. Recipes, inventory, and purchasing are all seamlessly connected, eliminating manual updates and errors. Let's start by going over some key terms you'll need to know. A product is a fundamental ingredient in recipes and plays a crucial role in operations and inventory management. It helps track stock levels by recording quantities used in recipes, monitors usage to prevent shortages or overstocking, and ensures accurate costing by linking ingredient prices to menu items. Additionally, it supports procurement by identifying when and how much to reorder, optimizing overall kitchen efficiency. Let's uncover how a product is managed. Under Inventory, select Products. You can choose between a Kanban view for a visual layout or a list view, whichever you prefer. The product list includes a mix of ingredients, raw materials, and recipes, which we call finished goods in this application. To get started, open the Inventory app and click on the product list. A product is the basic component of recipes that are also used for operations and inventory. Click the Inventory app for the overview. To see the product list, click the Product tab, then select the product. You can choose between a Kanban view for a visual layout or a list view, whichever you prefer. The product list displays a combination of ingredients, raw materials, and finished goods, which are also recipes. Now click New and enter the product name, let's say green beans canned. Next, in the General Information section, select the unit of measure, purchase unit of measure or UOM, and enter the cost of the product. Now let's add a vendor for a specific product. Click on the Purchase tab and add a vendor, or what we sometimes call a supplier, by filling in the required details. You can also add multiple vendors per product so you can choose from which vendor you can order during procurement. Some products come in various sizes and packaging. You can set this in the Inventory tab. For example, you might have a can of 350 grams, a can of 500 grams, and a can of 1,000 grams. Now, there are some vendors that require either minimum or maximum quantities to order. You can indicate this here in the Inventory module, Operations tab, and on the Procurement group under Replenishment. Create a new product and enter the name Green Beans Canned. Select its location. Warehouse stock is set by default as an internal location. Now let's see how to make transactions in FoodOps like purchase orders and a manufacturing order. Let's place a purchase order. Open the Purchase app. Here you can view all the transactions and their statuses. Make a new request for quotation or RFQ. Set the order deadline and expected arrival dates. In the vendor field, select the vendor. You can also set the currency. Here, let's use US dollar as the currency. Under the Product tab, add the items you want to purchase. I need pomelo. Now I'll enter the quantity I need, say 10, and you see that based on the unit price, it automatically calculates the total amount on the right side. Let's also add fresh coriander. Okay, so I'm done. Click the Save icon to save the RFQ. The next tab you see is to print the RFQ, and the tab next to it is Confirm Order. Click Confirm Order for the RFQ to become an official purchase order. Once you have a purchase order, the next step is to receive the products. You'll see the tabs and you can easily follow the steps from left to right. Let's say the vendor delivered the products. Click the tab Receive Products and you'll see a receipt icon on the top so you can validate what to receive. Once the list on the receipt is validated, click Validate. This will change the status to Done, and the received products will then be added to your inventory stock. Now let's create a bill so you can pay your vendor or supplier for what you ordered. Click the Create a Bill tab, set the bill date, and save. Confirm the bill to generate a vendor number. The status changes to Posted. Next, click Register Payment. Choose the payment method and click Create Payment to release the payment to your vendor. Once completed, a green banner tags the bill as paid. Let's now try to create manufacturing order. This means you want to create or produce an item, such as a recipe. Click Manufacturing App. Let's select New Manufacturing Order and type in the product, pomelo and shrimp salad. Specify the quantity, 10 servings. The bill of materials, or BOM, are the components to manufacture this product. And here you can see that it filled up automatically based on the recipe. Here it shows the pomelo, shrimp, grated coconut, and other ingredients needed to make the salad. It also shows location where each item is stored, how much product or ingredients it will consume to manufacture the product or the salad of 10 servings, each item's availability on stock, and each of its units of measure. You can also add more details for reference. Under Work Orders, you can add production details for operations, work center, and expected duration. Here you can also see that the finished product's location will be at a physical location chiller, so they know where the finished product was stored. To confirm and produce, click Confirm. The component status will show you if all items are available in stock, or if not, replenishment will be required. Click Produce All. Once done, the finished product is added to inventory, and naturally the components used, such as the ingredients used, are deducted. Now let's see how to create a sales order in FoodOps that you can send to your customer. Open the Sales app, create New, and type in the customer field. If they exist in the system, their details automatically populate, such as their address. Now add a product that your customer ordered. Let's use pomelo and shrimp salad, where they ordered 10 servings. The system will automatically calculate the total price and even the VAT. Now, save the quotation, which you can send electronically via email. Once the order is confirmed, click Confirm so the status updates from quotation to sales order. The next thing to do is to validate the delivery. Click the delivery icon and validate. The status will now update to Done. Now you would like to send an invoice to your customer. Click Create Invoice and choose an option. Set the invoice date and confirm. Once payment is received, click Register Payment. Select the journal and payment method and confirm the payment. Once completed, a paid banner will appear and the payment will be recorded. We've covered a lot of the key functions of FoodOps in this video. With FoodOps, managing purchases, manufacturing, and sales is seamless and efficient. Whether you're placing orders, producing goods, or processing sales, FoodOps has everything you need to streamline your operations. And if you have any questions or need assistance, drop us a message. We're ready to help you and your operations succeed. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and follow us for more tutorials for FoodOps and CalcMenu.